tools. This is to help allow for preventative maintenance in both thermal and optic design areas. This camera also has a movable lens to allow to view into hard to reach places or difficult spots. The same goes for the microphone. It allows you to see different angles for views. It also has 162 microphones available within it. For this particular camera, it also has the acoustic sensors. So this, you can see, picks up the small clicking of my fingers. But this also allows for partial discharge and leak detection. It also has several other options for frequency and measurements that can be preset or manually adjusted on the side. This camera also comes with additional analysis tools, and so it has a hot spot, has a cold temperature spot, as well as a placement spot, line analysis tools. Additionally, it also has area boxes that you can display. This camera comes with a 640 by 512 detector. It's for high quality images, as well for different color palettes to allow for different displays and images for better quality in certain environments.